Today we're doing a small renovation, and instead of taking the opportunity to do a review of a tool that was sent to us to take a look at. Now, it's not available as yet, but we'll get to that at the end of the video. And today we're taking a look at the new Mileseey S50C. You know, the C, I believe, stands for camera. It has some really interesting features. Now, if you notice, I have next to it the Mileseey S50 Precision X, and this is the Vision X. So this will make you get a better look at it. So let me disconnect it from the tripod. And the first thing I noticed is the improvement in the screen. Now, this Mileseey S50C is the very first laser distance measure that has an AMOLED screen. It also has a really unique feature, which you only see in cell phones, which is the ability to adjust depending on the brightness. So one of the major issues we have with lasers, particularly with laser measures, is that the visibility is very poor on the outside. But this device doesn't suffer from that, and we're going to do a comparison to show you. Here I have the Mileseey S50 and this is the Mileseey S50C. Look at the difference. Now this is set on the brightest setting right now. This is the Mileseey S50. You can see how clear the view is. There is literally no issue seeing what's going on the screen with the new AMOLED display. And it's touch screen. We're going to get to the camera soon, it's touch screen. So if I want to check the features, all I have to do is pull down and I get access to the settings. And then I just scroll back. And if I want to get access to the different measuring options, I just have to scroll up and I can slide across. There's very little latency, and I can scroll through these settings very easily. And I love that about this new laser. So that's the two things that stand out to me so far. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera. So you simply press the camera icon and you see the camera comes on, and I want to get it on that post there to get a measurement. So I press again, and that's the 8x zoom. So that's literally zoom all the way up. Let me show you that. All the way up to the actual post there. So you can see the post right here. Very clear. I just have to press measurement. And that's it. We have 81 feet and 1 inch. And that worked flawlessly. So this is the part we're trying to do. And I've got my measurement here without any issues. The visibility is clear. So having a camera with the crosses to show you exactly, pinpointing exactly where you are. Because from here I can see that, but using the camera, it's very clear. It worked perfectly. Now, I could simply demonstrate it again. So I just simply in the camera, press, and I get the measurement, 60 feet, 10 inches, right? And that's there. And I can't see that. I could see it probably here, but I could barely see it. But with the camera, that eliminates all the guesswork. I could precisely aim the camera exactly where I want it. So that's brilliant. So now let's look at some of the features. We're going to look at the point to point. So let's find that now. Let's scan through, get point to point. So that's point to point. It's ready to go. So you can use the point to point with the camera. So I want to get this point here at the window. So I got that point. And I want to get this point to the window. All right, and that tells me that the window is 2 feet 7 inches. So the point to point works perfectly. I'm going to take out a little off with the laser because I'm not trying to be precise, but you can see how well it works. I almost forgot to demonstrate the metal base. So as you can see, we have some terrazzo, so you're going to rest it down like terrazzo. It stands very nicely. There's no fear of damaging it because of the metal base, so it works perfectly. It has strong waterproofing capabilities. After soaking it down with the garden hose, it continued to function perfectly. No glitches, so it's ideal for outdoor. So if you notice, they have like a uni button design. So all the buttons are connected, but now With the new device, buttons are separated. And I did mention that in my review of the Mileseey S50, and they have made an improvement. It feels better. It's a little easier to navigate if you're not looking at the device, because sometimes you're measuring and you can just feel around, all right, this is positive, this is negative, this is menu, this is settings. Well, you know the power buttons in the center, and then you have the orientation or measuring points. Then you have the new setting over to the camera. So that's the difference. But the buttons and the button orientation is different. Now at the base, there is the metal plate, which we looked at on the outside. So the metal plate faces the charging port. So the charging port now is located at the side of the device, which I prefer. I think it's a better location. There's less risk of it getting damaged, because at the bottom here, there is a risk of it getting damaged. So I like the position, which also leads me to the measure button. So you could measure both here at the original measure button and the side. And what's good about that, and I will demonstrate that in our splicing a clip here, that when you're doing measurements, you literally are going against a wall. So sometimes you're kind of fidgeting to press it, but instead now you simply just have to press it up and you could take your measurements that way. So I really like that addition. I think that's a really small change with a great impact. So it makes it more ergonomic, easier to use when you have to measure against a wall or against the floor. So they didn't make any changes to the threaded socket or the tripod mount. It's the exact same 1/4 inch tripod mount, so that hasn't changed. So that's basically the same. I like the change with the cover, because I almost lost this cover a couple of days ago. When I took it out of my pocket, it slid open and it fell, and I almost lost it. So I like the fact that you have to literally screw it. Now, it takes a little longer to access the batteries, but at the same time, there's no risk of you losing the cover. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm going to give you my final thoughts about the Mileseey S50C. So let's go back outside and wrap up the video. We're going to give our final thoughts on the Mileseey S50. This device feels way more smarter. They made some major improvements. With the screen is a 2.4 AMOLED screen. It has a bunch of new features, which I couldn't go into in this video because the video would have been way too long. The IP65 rating makes it ideal for outdoor work. You actually saw me with a hose, sprayed it down, and it still functions well. We like the fact that you could use the 8x zoom to make measurements in distances where you can visually see it. Yes, the laser is there, but you can't see it. So I like the fact that the camera is clean, it's very clear, and take into consideration that this is not a dedicated camera, but a measuring device that has a camera that is on par with some other major brands. We also like the fact that they improved the positioning of the button to actually do measurements. So many things. We highly recommend this tool. If you're interested in buying it, there's pre-sale available now, so you'll get a major discount. The links will be in the description. And if you thought this video was informative, like, share, and subscribe, and follow us for more video information. Cut, I double talk.